In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a Pinterest pin on mobile. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is go to the App Store on your phone. If you're on an Android device, go to the Google Play Store, and if you're on an iPhone, go to the Apple App Store. And then you just want to search for an app called Canva. This is the app we're going to be using to create our Pinterest pin. So go ahead and tap on Canva in the App Store, and then you want to go ahead and make sure that that's installed. I have it installed already, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and it looks like this when you launch it. So at the top of the page, you can see it's a search bar, and if you type in the search bar Pinterest, you can see the option of a Pinterest pin. Go ahead and tap on that. That's going to bring up a whole bunch of templates that you can go ahead and use for your Pinterest pin. So there's tons and tons of free templates that look really good that you can go ahead and use for your Pinterest pins. So if I go ahead and select a template for this video, I'll go ahead and select this one right here. And then all you need to do is tap on the edit button underneath the template, and you can customize everything about this template. So if I go ahead and tap on the picture, what I can do is remove this picture by tapping on that trash can icon at the top menu bar. And then I can tap on that area again. And then you can see underneath the box, it says gallery image video. If you tap on image, and let's say for example, I want to create a pin all about food. So I'll type in food in the search bar, hit search, and it'll bring up all these free images that I can use for my pin. So if I go ahead and select this one right here, it will load in the picture on the pin. And then I can change the text by just tapping on it, and then I tap on it again and I can begin typing. So I'll just type out something. So I typed top 10 barbecue foods, and then all I need to do to save that is tap on the tick mark at the top right. So this pin is looking pretty good, and the nice thing about Canva is all these templates that you can go ahead and customize to your liking. You can change the font of the text, the size of the text, everything about it. And then once you're happy with the pin that you just created, go ahead and tap on the tick mark there at the top left. And then you can go back by tapping on that back arrow at the top left again. And then it'll be in your designs. So once you're on this page, tap on your pin, and then you can see a little download button at the top menu. Tap on the download button. It'll prepare your design for download. And it has been successfully downloaded, so I can go to my gallery, and you can see the pin in my gallery. And you would want to remove that grid as well while you're creating the pin. I'm not sure why that's there, but essentially that is how you would create a pin using Canva for Pinterest. Then all you would need to do is go to the Pinterest app and upload it to Pinterest from the app. So that is how you create a Pinterest pin on your phone. Very quick and simple to do. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.